Waco. Very nice. Dave Melbourne. Waco.
Across the flight line.
Waco. Inverted spin. And the Waco is coming in.
Got a little picture taken out here with Ward 80 in his airplane.
About the same spot, huh?
What are we celebrating, Ward?
Oh, I don't know. The 50th. I guess, like the museum.
Get around the problem. Let's say you can't fly big airplanes.
That gal's scared. Ward Amy, N2S.
Well, I can say that when he started in the model aviation, he started with the big birds first. He's always a believer that if you're going to go for it, you're going to go for it, and you go for it.
Sure did, didn't it?
Nice one, Ward.
You had to buy a new ring though, with gear and everything? Oh, I had to go all the way.
Knife edge. Go around. I think he's going to go around again. Been awfully hot. He's okay.
Look at that thunder shape.
Okay. Dave Milburn. One engine out. Hey, very good. Going around.
Coming out on the runway.
Yeah, I enjoy watching it while somebody else flies. I don't usually get to see it.
Nice little Corsair.
Jerry Nelson, Grant.
And a Spitfire. Another Corsair. Nice looking P40. P47. Ultimate.
Get together tonight for a meal over at the King's Dinner with us tonight. Here, we might take a look at what he has and also maybe get on a list for his cap. That's going on around in this area. So take a look at it.
Boarding. Very nice. Okay, Ward's gonna come around for landing now. Hey, just like a student and instructor.
Kind of balanced it. I looked hard to see where you patched it up, you know, because it was, well, the engine was really ripped out.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, that was last year.
Ward's a master modeler. Here comes a real side slip. Okay, we're going to do another side slip here. Here we go, a nice side slip. Nice side slip. Very nice. Well, it's real early Sunday morning. And it's a beautiful day here in Redmond, Washington. And we're getting ready to have some breakfast out here. Yes, sir, this is a nice place. I think I could fly here. I think most anybody could fly here. And we got a beautiful D-18 brought over by Wendell Ward. He's going to taxi it up and down the runway for us. The runway might be a little too short for him to fly here, he says. And breakfast is getting started right over here.
In the second window?
Yeah, he's got some cargo on board, hasn't he?